Hello class, I welcome you all to this session. This session we are going to discuss exercise 51. PQR are in a partnership and as at 1st April 2015 their respective capitals were 40,000, 30,000 and 30,000 respectively. So Q is entitled to a salary of 6,000 and R rupees 4,000 per annum. Payable before division of profits. Okay, so before division of profits, they have to get a salary of 6,000 and 4,000. Interest is allowed on capital at 5% per annum and it is not charged on drawings. Of the divisible profits, P is entitled to 50,000. P is entitled to 50% of the first 10,000, which means 5,000 P has to get. Out of this 10,000, 50% P has to get. 30% Q has to get, which is 3,000, and 20% R has to get, which is 2,000. The rest of the profits are shared equally. Profits for the year ended 31st March 2016 after debiting partner's salary but before charging interest on capital was rupees 21,000 and the partner had drawn rupees 10,000 each on account of salaries, interest and profit. So drawings is 10,000 after debiting partner's salary but before charging interest on capital was 21,000. What is this? This is profit. Prepare P&L appropriation account for the year ended 31/3/2016 showing the distribution of profit and the capital account of the partners. So this is the question. So we have to solve this question by preparing P&L appropriation account and partners capital account. So let me start with P&L appropriation account. So what is the profits? The profits before charging interest on capital but after debiting partner salary, which is 21,000. Partner salary is a P&L appropriation account but after debiting the partner salary, which is 6,000 for Q and 4,000 for R. After this only the profits is 21,000. So we'll just make a mention of by profits after salary. You should remember that while we are preparing the partner's capital account, we need to include this salary. Okay, so after salary, which is 21,000, to interest on capital, so P, Q, R. The interest on partner's capital is 5% per annum. So 40,000 into 5%, 30,000 and 30,000 into 5%. So this is the calculation. So 40,000 into 5%, 30,000 into 5%, 30,000 into 5%. Now 2,000, 1,500 and 1,500. So you have totally 5,000. To profits transferred to P's capital account, Q's capital account and R's capital account. Remember that we have a provision here that first 10,000 profit should be segregated in 5:3:2, which is 50:30:20, which is 5:3:2, after which equally. So I'm just going to prepare a working note. So first tell me what is the profit. It is profits 21,000 minus 5,000, which is 16,000. So out of the 16,000, first 10,000 is to be segregated in 5:3:2. So for P it is 5,000, for Q it is 3,000, for R it is 2,000. Okay, so this is the segregation, this is the profit sharing ratio. Now after this 6,000 should be shared equally. Okay, so equally means divided by 3. So if I am dividing by 3, I will get 2,000. So 6,000 equally, so I am just adding 2,000, 2,000 and 2,000. So what is the profits individually? It is 7,000, 5,000 and 4,000. Okay, so totally it comes to 16,000 here. So I'm just writing it in the P&L appropriation account. 21,000 total. 16,000 is divided into 7,000 for P. For Q it is 5,000 and 4,000 for R. So P&L appropriation account is over. So partners capital account we need to prepare. How many partners? Make sure that you have 3 columns because there are 3 partners. Okay, so P, Q, R, P, Q, R. Okay, so partners capital, I have told you that opening balance should always be in your credit side. Balance brought down 40,000, 30,000 and 30,000. So this is your partner's capital account. Remember that we have salary. By salary account for Q and R. Q it is 6,000, R it is 4,000. After this, by interest on capital. What is the interest on capital? 2,000. We have prepared in the P&L appropriation account 1,500 and 1,500. Okay, so we have prepared this. Then finally you have to have the appropriation of profit. P&L appropriation account 7,000, 5,000 and 4,000. So this is the entry. Then you have drawings also in the question. The partners had drawn 10,000 each on account of salary, interest and profit. So 2 drawings. So each 10,000. To balance carried down. So totally 49,000, 30,000, 36,000, 36, 41, 42,500. 38, 39,500. Okay, so I'm just totaling it in this side also. So to balance carried down, it will be 39,000, 49,000 minus 10,000, 42,000 minus 42,500 minus 10,000 is 32,500, and here 29,500. So this is the balance carried down value. So let me check the answer also. So we have 39,000, 32,500 and 39,500 as our answer. Yes, our answer is right. You can see here. Okay, so this is the answer. The next question that we are going to discuss. Is Amal, Bimal and Kamal are partners on 1st April 2016. Their capital stood as Amal 40,000, Bimal 30,000 and Kamal 25,000. It was decided that they would receive interest on capital at 5% per annum. Amal would get a salary of rupees 250 per month. Bimal would receive commission at 4% on net profit after deduction of commission from it, interest on capital and salary. So after means you need to write it as 4 divided by 104. Okay. After deducting all of these, 10% of the profits should be transferred to the general reserve. Before the above items were taken into account, the profit for the year ended 31/3/2017 was rupees 33,360. Prepare P&L appropriation account, partners, capital account. So this is the problem. So P&L appropriation account is asked. So I'm just going to prepare it. So I've just prepared P&L appropriation account. In that I am writing by profit and loss account, that is net profit. You know what is the net profit? The profits for the year ended 31 is 33,360. So I'm just going to write it here. Okay, so 33,360. You have to show interest on capital to interest on capital. For Amal, Bimal and Kamal. Okay. So Amal, Bimal and Kamal. What is the interest on capital? So 40,000 into 5% per annum. So 40,000 into 5%. Here 30,000 into 5%. 25,000 into 5%, which will be 2,000, 1,500 and 1,250. So totally 4,750 will be the interest on capital. Next is the salary. Amal would get a salary of 250 per month. So to Amal's salary. So 250 into 12. So 250 into 12 will be 3,000. After this, to commission account. Whose commission? Bimal commission. Okay. So the brackets, I'm writing Bimal. We need to do a calculation. So I'm just writing it as working note. So I'm going to prepare a working note. So leave some space because we have general reserve and we have to write the profits that is appropriated to each partner. Okay, so leave appropriate space and working note. So working note, calculation to find commission payable to Bimal. Okay, payable to Bimal. Now what did they say? Bimal would receive commission at 4% on net profit after deduction of commission from it, interest on capital and salary. So this is the thing. So what is a net profit? net profit is 33,360 after deduction of interest on capital. What is the total interest on capital? It is 4,750. So 4,750 deduct, and salary of Amal. Okay, so they have mentioned salary of Amal because interest on capital and salary they have told. So 3,000 is deduction. Okay, and after that commission also. So once you deduct this, you will get 25,610. So this is net profit plus commission. Okay, so net profit plus commission is 25,610. So 25,610 divided by 104 into 4 will be commission. Am I right? So 25,610 divided by 104 into 4 will be 985. This is the commission payable to Bimal. Now if you don't understand this, look into this. What is this? Net profit plus commission. So this 25,610 is inclusive of commission of Bimal. Now we have to find out what is the commission of Bimal. So this is 100 plus 4, that is 104. It is equal to 104. What is 4? Because 100 is net profit plus 4 is Bimal's commission. Okay, so what is 4 is x. If we cross multiply 25,610 into 4 divided by 104. So this is what we have done it here. So you will get 985. Okay, so if you, I am sure that you are able to understand this because they have given after deduction of commission from it, interest on capital and salary. So this is the meaning. So commission is 985. After this, after deducting all of these, 10% of the profits should be transferred to the general reserve. Now 10% of profits to be transferred. What is remaining? So 25,610 minus 985. So 25,610 minus 985. I am getting 24,625. This is the remaining profits that needs to be that's available for general reserve transfer. Out of that, 10% of the profit is to be transferred to general reserve. What is the available profit? 24,625 into 10%. Now what is this 10%? It is 2462. 2462. Then 2 profits transferred are RED. Okay, transferred to Amal's capital account, Bimal's capital account, and Kamal's capital account. Okay, so their profit sharing ratio is not given, which means they have to share it in equally. Am I right? So total is 33,360. So 33,360 minus 4,750, 3,000, 985 and 2462. 62. So you get 22,163. This is your profits. This has to be divided equally. So I'm just dividing by 3. I'm getting 7387.66. I'm taking it as 7388, 7388 and 7387 in order to tally and get this. Okay, so 1 rupee, it doesn't matter, then only we will get a round figure. So that's why I've written as 7387. So we have almost done the problem. The next thing that we have to do is the partners capital account. Partners capital account. Amal, Vimal and Kamal. Amal, Vimal and Kamal. Okay. First is partners capital account. Again I am telling you, by balance brought down. Opening balance 40,000, 30,000 and 25,000. By interest on capital 2,000, 1,500, 1,250. By salary for Amal only 3,000. By commission to Bimal only 985. By P&L appropriation account, the profits 7388, 7388, 7387. So if you total this, you will be getting 52,388, then 39,873, 33,637. To balance carry down, which is the closing balance, since there is nothing in the debit side, 52,388, 39,873, 33,637. So I'll just finish this problem with the total. So we have completed this problem. Please make sure that you practice this. So this kind of problems may be asked for 6 marks or 4 marks. Okay, keep practicing. Thank you, class.